In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your tax return using TurboTax Online. If you need a physical copy of your return for your records, for a loan application, or just for peace of mind, this process is pretty simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, log into your TurboTax Online account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've had more than one over the years. Once you're signed in, go to the Resources section in your account. This area is where TurboTax stores helpful tools and access to important documents. From there, expand the section labeled Tax Returns and Docs. This will show the tax documents available in your account. If you've already filed your return with TurboTax, select the tax year you want to print. Be careful to choose the correct year, since many people keep multiple returns in the same account, and it's easy to open the wrong one by mistake. After selecting the year, click Download or Print Return as a PDF. At this point, TurboTax will begin preparing the file. Give it a moment and wait for the PDF to download completely. Depending on your browser and internet speed, the file may appear at the bottom of the screen, in your Downloads folder, or in a pop-up asking where you want to save it. Once the download is finished, open the PDF on your computer. Before printing, it's a good idea to quickly review the document so you can make sure it opened correctly and includes the pages you need. This can save time and paper if you're printing a full return. Now click the print icon in the PDF viewer, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and P on Windows, or Command and P on a Mac. This will open your print window. From there, choose your printer and adjust any print settings if needed. For example, you may want to check the page orientation, number of copies, color, or black and white printing, and whether you want to print all pages or only selected pages. When everything looks right, click Print. Your tax return should begin printing right away. If your printer doesn't respond, double-check that it's connected, turned on, and has paper and ink. And if you prefer, you can always save the PDF first and print it later. Thanks for watching.